Yet also acquire name ewo ensem from the National Delegates Congress. They say akoso ewa manyokwa from no Progressive Alliance for Change. PAG. Sabere wanum atimi akwakoto aba na wayi Dr. John Enyonam Kpikpi say wono e na obetu franka ede ama wono mo ewa fimpinu ene aduonu nwatwe abatoa ye beto no emo.
If you are in support of Dr. John Enyonam Kpikpi becoming the presidential candidate for Progressive Alliance, please say yes. Please say yes. Please say yes. On behalf of the Electoral Commission, I declare Dr. John Enyonam Kpikpi as the presidential candidate for Progressive Alliance for Ghana.
Leadership is not for the leader, but rather for the people. I said again, leadership was never meant to serve the needs of the leader, but it's meant to be for those who are led. Leadership is not for the leader. So if you have people who go and build only their role and leave all the other roles there, we've got something back to front completely. This must change. And the Progressive Alliance for Ghana is eager to change all that. We change all that.
Simple wisdom will tell you that, hey, do it this way, then you employ many people also in the process. But this is not happening. This is not happening. I suspect that somebody has got some quick money out of the investors and so leaves them to themselves. But that must change. PAG will ensure that everything is done properly, from the lithium, digging out all the way to lithium-ion batteries that we need to put in our cars. We start making electric vehicles in this place. You know, even rice that is being grown in some places, we don't have the mills to get the rice out of the husks. So people grow rice and then they can't get it to the market. So all the investments are lost. Again, on rice again, we are growing rice, but we are also importing rice. And so people who have grown rice here and the particular variety they've grown cannot compete with what people are used to. They can't sell the rice. So it's just a mishmash. Again, leadership mishmash, complete waste of, there's no plan there. So what we will do with that is we'll make sure that we'll think of where we're going to sell the rice, get the markets ready before we put the seeds in the ground.